Ariaso with 22.9 seconds left and the score tied at 105 all.
Partner, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, in that Ginebra San Miguel Shell game last April 7, ganun din na nangyari with a few seconds to go, no?
Oo.
Yung pass ni Jaworski was intercepted. Na-telegraph.
Okay, tabla ang laban mga kaibigan. Time down to 14 seconds. Barrientos, pareho po nasa penalty ang dalawang koponan ito.
And you're going to expect Alaska to take a shot with only 5 picks to go.
Cariaso's open! Hindi pumas, Winyo! Coach Winyo with 3.8 seconds to go. Puts Alaska ahead by 2 at 107-105. Meron pa pong 3.8 seconds na nalalabi ang execution at yung kanilang offensive rebounding na naman Kinito.
Yes.
Ang nakapagpaluwal sa kanila. Pero meron pa tayo 3.8 seconds. 2-point lead lang yan ng Alaska. 107-105. Naalala pa siguro ng karamihan dito kung ano nangyari noong March 10. Noong huli nagsagupa itong dalawang ito. Yung 3-point shot ni Gayoso. That ended the game. Well, not the game, but the hopes of Alaska in that particular game. Tignan natin ngayon.
Jaworski is inbounding with 3.8 seconds to go. Very similar situation to that Ginebra versus Shell game April 7th.
Oh.
A key substitution here. Ramos is inside, but I expect Ginebra San Miguel to take a 3-point shot. I'm not sure if they're going to go for the 2-point shot and send this into overtime. I think with a coach like Jaworski, I think he'll go for the winning basket. They'll go for a 3-point shot. Ewan ko lang, ha?
Well, tumawag mo ng 20-second shot ng 20-second timeout si Sonny Jaworski.
Pero kung titira ng 3-pointer itong Ginebra San Miguel, yung substitution ni Coach Tim Cohn, putting in a big man, might not work because he will be ineffective in defending against a 3-point shot. Well, tingnan natin how this play evolves.
Well, si Jaworski mag-i-inbound mula sa center line at nag-uusap sila ni Assistant Coach Rino Salazar.
The 3-point shooters for Ginebra on the floor, Gayoso and Hizon.
Not to mention Jaworski. Ito po pasa kay Hizon. Tumaksak sa loob. Back shot. Wala. Locsin tries to follow it up. Hindi rin pumasok. Tapos ang laban. Alaska Milk wins it by 2 points. 107-105. Definitely a hard-earned victory by Alaska Milk over Ginebra San Miguel.
Ed, that ball went to Hizon, and I thought he was going to set up for a 3-point shot, but I thought there was no room for him to take the 3-point shot. That's why he tried to move closer.
Well, meron pa rin mga pikon na nambabato rito. Nakita po ninyo kung ano nangyari. Well, Ginebra had a couple of opportunities there. A shot by Hizon, a follow-up tip-in by Noli Locsin, but Lady Luck just wouldn't smile at them. So Alaska Milk takes this one, 107-105. Sa ilang sandali po lamang.